Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Full Suit Build Series 2.5. Today we're going to add these 4-inch bolts to the backpack so it can be attached to the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to melt a hole and then just weld that inside. So then when this goes through here, all I have to do is just get the washer and the nut, and then that'll just hold the backpack in place. Let's get adding these bolts. Got the backpack attached, not much. I'm really happy how this worked out. There's some parts I need to cut out because just jabbing into my shoulders just a little bit, but overall fit is nice. The weight isn't as bad as it is on my Burning Gundam costume, but yeah, those bolts are holding on there really well. Good, I'm glad how well this turned out. And it's at the right level and everything. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you like the video. Thank you for watching.